Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hands. This is a countertop burner stove using the electric. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit will be 26 inches deep and 15 inches wide. And the overall heights, they are about almost like 11 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come in with the two big burner plates on top of it. And from the center, the diameters, it's about like 9 inches. Back one the same is 9 inches. And when we look in the front, we can see they have an individual controllers indicator to showing the unit is running. And on the side, we can see they have the ETL sanitation stickers. They notify the customer we're using the 220 power or 240 power for the units. And from the manufacturers, we can see they give you the commercial 240 plugs. So you need to be aware to using those. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.